Behold Alken, where the river flows not just with water, but with time itself. This village, cradled by the Moselle, stands as a testament to humanity's yearning for permanence amidst the fleeting. The streets, cobbled and ancient, echo with the footsteps of those long gone. Yet here they remain, their spirit carved into the stones, immortalized by the eternal return of life. Alken was more than a village. Alken became a pawn in a game of power, its streets echoing with the clash of swords and the cries of the oppressed. And yet, Alken prevailed. It embraced the river's rhythm, the cycles of destruction and renewal. Each house rebuilt, each vineyard replanted became an act of defiance against time itself. Today, as your eyes sweep over this village from above, know this: Alken is not merely a place, it is a survivor, a living memory of a world that refused to be forgotten. And as the Moselle flows on, so too does the spirit of Alken, eternal and unbroken. The vineyards, like veins upon the hills, pulse with the lifeblood of the land. They whisper to us of patience, of the seasons that turn endlessly, each leaf a testament to the cycle of creation and decay. Here, the grape becomes wine, and the wine becomes memory, a fleeting joy, eternal in its recurrence. And now the crown of Alken rises before us, Thurant Castle, a fortress of will and defiance. These walls, scarred by time and battle, stand as monuments to the human spirit. The castle watches over the valley as if to declare, I have endured, and so I remain. Each stone is a paradox, a fragment of the past, yet resolute in the present. What is a castle but the embodiment of man's desire to transcend his frailty? Here, one feels the weight of eternity, the sublime realization that even in ruins, beauty endures. As we ascend, let us carry this thought. In Alken, as in life, the fleeting and the eternal are one. What will you leave behind? What will endure when you are gone? Reflect and share your thoughts below, fellow wanderer. And as always, stay curious and keep exploring with Freefall 8.